Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of not available on the application of ESPN. We click on settings. In this page we go to apps, default apps, app settings. In this list you will go down until you find ESPN and you will click here. Then in this page of app info you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then you will click on clear cache. But pay attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account. In the end you can turn off your phone and you can turn on your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us.